Hello, thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to share with you why I am so pissed off. Lately someone said something that implied that sales is easy. Sales is never easy. I'm offended when someone said sales is easy. It kind of implied that my role, my job is easy, is the easiest in the organization. Actually, it is not. Here is the context. My successor asked my ex-colleague, how did the sales team do 120k per month previously? Oh, their packages were easier to sell. That got me pissed off. No doubt the previous packages were attractive, it still requires skills and techniques to sell those packages. Don't you know that there are salespeople who can't even sell attractive packages, attractive offers? My previous sales team was great. Right? All of us have good communication skills, sales techniques, sales skills, and we have our own little tricks up our sleeve. And here in this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 little tricks that I implement into my sales pitch to help me to sell better, close more, make more. Trick number 1, creating a positive impression. Now, there are many ways, methods to create a positive impression. It could be the longevity of your business. You have been around for 20 years, 30 years, and you're not going to run away, or you have a special methodology or techniques to help your clients to achieve their goals, or they reach their destination, or you are the cheapest. So there are many ways to create positive impression, and my way is to use positive results from my past clients to impress the current prospect. So I will show positive testimonials, positive conversation with my past clients to create that positive impression. That's the first thing that I do when I get in touch with my prospects. So if you are keen to know how I do it and how you can implement into your sales pitch using positive results, positive testimonials to impress your prospects, check out my ebook. All right, the link is below. This ebook called Getting Powerful Testimonials That Sells For You. After I create my positive impression, it comes to little trick number 2. What I do is I get a commitment from the prospect. Now, yes, at this point in time, chances are it is about background checking, asking what backgrounds, where are they from, are they qualified. I do all this, added on asking for their commitment. So I want to talk to those who are ready to move forward. But it doesn't matter to me whether if they are going to purchase from me, they are going to sign up from me, because what's more important is I want to know at that stage they are ready to move forward. It could be with anybody else, but they are ready to do something. They are ready to make a decision. Well, there are prospects who are at a very initial stage. They are just finding out information. They are not at a place where they want to make a decision. So this group, yes, I will still serve them. I will still talk to them, pitch to them, but my time with them will be controlled. I will not spend too much time, invest too much time onto this group because they are still at a very initial stage. But however, those who are ready to make a decision, these are the group that I will give special attention. And therefore, I ask for a commitment. Are they ready to move forward? If they are not ready, fine, we can still have a chat, but I know that where are they, and they are not at the stage yet. So it is important that you ask for commitment. It saves a lot of your time. You talk to more qualified, more committed customers, and you sell better, you close more, you make more. You see, it is like a relationship. You met this girl and you are committed to get into a deep relationship with her and eventually marries her. But she doesn't want that commitment. She's kind of like blowing hot, cold air on you. Sometimes she's really, really onto you. Sometimes she says, nah, I'll just stay away. And you do not know where to go. You can't close that deal. And so in sales, you want to speak to committed prospects. Then it will make the whole conversation more purposeful. After getting that commitment, I move on to little trick number 3, the presentation. Intentional presentation. Now, why do I say intentional? because every word, every sentence that I say, every questions that I ask, it is intentional leading them to somewhere. And this somewhere I'm going to tell you in a while, all right? And sometimes I intentionally lead the prospects to an uncomfortable position. So now this is a little extra trick, right? Being able to stay in an uncomfortable space with your prospects. Sometimes I ask uncomfortable questions to intentionally make the prospects uncomfortable. The reason is I want them to be uncomfortable. I want them to think deeply. I want them to really process it in their mind, because that way I can really get to the client's mind and having them to think deeply before they make a decision. And throughout the presentation, I wouldn't share about the offer, the packages. I will only talk about the offer when they ask. Because I believe when you share your offer to a prospect who is not ready, you are simply wasting your time. Remember in little trick number 3, I said I intentionally lead them to somewhere. And this somewhere is the golden question. They start asking, how do we proceed from here? What's your packages like? How much do you charge? These are the questions that I want to hear. These are the questions I lead them to. And that's where I start sharing the offer. And so it is not so easy in sales. It's not just about presenting the offer. There are many things to do before I even present the offer. There are a lot of framing, a lot of preparation, a lot of work before I reach that point of this is what we have. Because I'm not selling $1, $2 product, and I'm assuming that you're not selling ice cream. Oh, ice cream. In fact, I sold ice cream many years back with a bunch of friends. And our result was we sold 2 full loads of ice cream in 4 hours. To give it a context, 1 full load of ice cream is a 4-feet freezer that you see outside those convenience stores. It will probably take about 2 months to empty a full load of ice cream outside those convenience stores. It took us 4 hours to empty 2 full loads of ice cream. How did we do that? A lot of work, a lot of preparation, a lot of framing before we even show the ice cream. So even selling ice cream, there are work to be done. It's not so easy. After airing this out, I feel much better. Oh, please do like this video and subscribe to the channel. It will be really a great help for me in terms of continuing to produce videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye bye.